Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lian Duan, and I have been working in development and DevOps for over 20 years. Let me ask you something. Are you tired of managing servers? Do you worry about whether your apps can handle more users? Are you looking for a better way to build apps, something easier and cheaper? If you say yes, then you are in the right place. Today, I'm introducing you to something called Serverless. It's a powerful way to build apps without managing servers yourself. It's this heart of Serverless is a tool called AWS Lambda. I want to help you learning this amazing technology. So I'm launching a brand new video series called AWS Lambda from start to finish. It has around 14 videos and will go through everything step by step. This is not just Hello World demo. I recently finished a real project for a non-profit organization use AWS Lambda. It helps them manage file uploads for reimbursements while keeping the cost low. That project includes uploading files to S3, sending email notifications, merging files in S3, and I'll teach you how to use CI/CD pipeline to deploy your code to dev, staging, and production environments. By the end of these videos, you will be a real Lambda expert. We'll start with basic. What is Lambda and the Lambda lifecycle? How to create your first function. Then we'll move to the key concepts. What are events and context? How do AMS permissions work to keep your function secure? After that, we'll build real-world features. Use API Gateway to create a web API. Use S3 Trigger to process the file automatically. Use EventBridge to run tasks on a schedule. We'll even cover advanced topics like using AWS SAM, build your local dev environment, and Lambda layers to organize your code. Using CloudWatch and X3 to monitor and fix problems. This series for everyone. Whether you're new to cloud computing or a developer who wants to level up, you'll find value here. Are you ready to start this serverless journey with me? If yes, please click subscribe and turn on the notification so you do not miss any videos. Our first video is coming very soon. Thank you for watching and see you the next time.